Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can recharge Spotify Premium. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Spotify and this is how the homepage looks like. So as you can see guys, right here in the top, you're gonna find your notifications. Right here, you're gonna find your friend activity. And right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find your profile icon. If you click on it right here, you're gonna find the option to access to your account. Right here, you can go to your profile. You can upgrade to premium, start a private session. You can go to your settings. And lastly, from here, you can log out from your Spotify account. So basically, guys, in order to recharge your Spotify Premium, there is two ways. You can either click on upgrade to premium, and this will take you to this page. So once you're here, just go ahead and click on get premium, personal, or you can see all subscriptions. Then choose the subscription that you want. For example, we're going to click on this one. And then once you do that, this will take you to this page. For example, I'm going to click on monthly subscription, click right here. And then all you need to do, guys, is add your payment information. Then go ahead and click on buy. And then you're going to be able to get premium. Another way to do that is by going to Spotify, then click right here and click on account. And this will take you to this page. So basically, guys, right here, you're going to find all of the settings related to your Spotify account. Go ahead and scroll a little bit down. Then right here, you're going to find activated code. Click on it and then just enter your code if you want to redeem a Spotify code. So just enter your premium code right here. Then check this box and then go ahead and click on continue. Then you're going to be able to get premium. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.